How to set up stop loss and take profit on Tradovate. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up stop loss and take profit on your Tradovate account. Now this might be a bit complex for some, but I'm just going to be showing you the quickest way possible to set up everything. So the very first thing that you want to do, of course, is to log in into your Tradovate account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you will automatically be redirected into your graph dashboard. All I have to do is to go into your chart settings. But before that, setting up stop loss and take profit in Tradovate is done by activating OCO, or the order cancels order. It is actually a mode on the DOM chart to create a bracket order, or by configuring ATM or automatic trade management strategies within the DOM or from the chart. So going back, once you've pulled up your chart settings, all I have to do then is to choose on show orders. You will then be redirected to ATM settings, which is the automatic trade management strategies. All you have to do from there is that's the time that you can add some specific feature on your stop loss setup. So say for example, you would like to turn this on, ATM name, show and tickets, the type, and then the specific amount on setting up your stop loss. Once you've turned this on, automatically you will see those specific things on your graph, like this one right here. And that's it. That's how you set up stop loss and take profit on Tradovate.